Welcome, space travelers! I'm your cosmic hero guide. Stay close as we begin our thrilling tour across blazing Mercury.
Follow me carefully. Without an atmosphere, Mercury swings between scorching heat and freezing darkness like no other world. Let's fly toward the sunlit side. Feel the intense sunlight as temperatures soar beyond 430 degrees Celsius. Now glide into the dark side. Here, heat escapes into space, sending temperatures plunging below minus 180 degrees. Look toward the horizon with me. From Mercury, the sun appears almost twice as large as it does from Earth. Watch this incredible sight. Mercury's unusual orbit can make the sun rise, reverse direction, then rise once again. Activate your scanners. Detect the glowing sodium trail stretching millions of miles behind Mercury through the darkness of space. Look behind us. That brilliant sodium tail makes this tiny planet resemble a gigantic glowing comet crossing the solar system. Stay close to me. Powerful solar radiation constantly strikes Mercury's surface, making survival impossible without advanced protection. Follow me toward the poles. One of Mercury's greatest scientific mysteries is waiting right ahead, so keep floating along with me. Carefully look inside these craters. Because Mercury barely tilts, sunlight never reaches these permanently shadowed floors. Scan the darkness below. Hidden beneath the shadows lies ancient water ice, preserved for billions of years. Wondering how ice survives here? Without air carrying heat inside, these deep craters remain permanently frozen. Activate the atmosphere sensors. Mercury only has an ultra-thin exosphere made of atoms blasted completely loose by harsh solar winds.
Feel this deep, silent emptiness. Oxygen and helium drift right around us before escaping forever into the vast cosmic void.
Look up above us. Even in broad daylight, Mercury's sky remains completely black, without an atmosphere to scatter sunlight. If ordinary humans want to explore Mercury, they need ultra-heavy armor and constant thermal protection just to stay alive. Take one last look around. Mercury proves that even the harshest worlds can become the most breathtaking places to explore. Prepare for descent. Our introduction ends now as we float down toward Mercury's rugged, crater-covered landscape for our next adventure. Welcome to Mercury's ancient frontier. Fly right beside me as we explore this world shaped by giant impacts and lava.
We've reached our first landmark. Below us lies the mighty Caloris Basin, stretching over 1,500 kilometers across. Imagine standing here billions of years ago. A gigantic asteroid slammed into Mercury, creating this enormous impact basin.
Look straight below. These spiderweb-like grooves are the famous Pantheon fossae, carved by incredible forces beneath the surface.
Turn toward the horizon. Massive mountain rings rose after the impact, with peaks towering more than 2 kilometers high. Now follow me across the weird terrain. The ancient impact sent powerful shockwaves completely around the planet. Look at these shattered hills. Focused seismic energy crushed and twisted the landscape into this chaotic terrain. Let's land beside these towering cliffs. These giant scarps stretch for hundreds of kilometers across Mercury's surface.
Here's the amazing secret. As Mercury's enormous iron core cooled, the entire planet slowly shrank inward. Look closely at the folded ground. That shrinking crust pushed up cliffs, standing nearly 3 kilometers high. Take off again. We're gliding over smooth volcanic plains formed when ancient lava flooded huge impact basins. Look ahead at these volcanic vents. Explosive eruptions once blasted ash high above Mercury's ancient landscape. Watch those bright streaks below. Fresh impact craters spread glowing rays across the dark surface like giant stars. We've arrived above Degas crater. Its brilliant ray system reveals one of Mercury's youngest major impact sites. Now look toward Kuiper crater. Fresh impacts exposed bright rock, making this crater shine against the darker surroundings. Look across these ancient highlands. Every crater preserves a chapter from the violent birth of our solar system. Notice the incredible silence. With no wind or flowing water, this landscape has barely changed for billions of years. Activate your mineral scanner. Mercury's dark surface contains carbon-rich material and ancient layers of graphite. Let's touch down carefully. Every ridge beneath our feet tells a story of violent impacts and planetary cooling. Come closer to these strange hollows. Scientists believe sunlight slowly vaporizes minerals, leaving behind these mysterious depressions. Take one final look below. Every cliff, crater, and plain reveals Mercury's extraordinary battle against the sun.
Ignite your thrusters! We're leaving the rugged surface behind to uncover the powerful secrets hidden deep inside Mercury. Activate your deep scanners. Let's look beneath Mercury's rugged crust and uncover the massive iron heart hidden below us. Watch the holographic cross-section. Mercury's enormous iron core fills nearly 85% of the planet's entire diameter. Compare it with Earth beside us. Unlike our home planet, Mercury is dominated by a gigantic metallic core.
Now consider this mystery. Scientists believe a colossal impact stripped away much of Mercury's outer rocky layers long ago.
Check your magnetic display. Despite its small size and slow rotation, Mercury still generates an active magnetic field.
Watch these glowing field lines. Though much weaker than Earth's, they help deflect part of the dangerous solar wind. Look ahead carefully. Solar wind connects with Mercury's magnetic field, creating powerful funnels that strike the surface below. Scan the density readings. Mercury is the second densest planet in our solar system, revealing its heavy metallic interior. Analyze the core data. Scientists discovered that part of Mercury's iron core remains molten, powering its magnetic shield. Watch the planet rotate beneath us. Mercury spins slowly, completing 3 rotations for every 2 journeys around the sun.
Here's an incredible fact. One single day on Mercury lasts twice as long as an entire Mercurian year.
Think about this question with me. Did Mercury form near the sun or migrate inward during the solar system's early history?
Mission complete, explorers! We've uncovered the remarkable secrets hidden inside Mercury's powerful iron heart and magnetic shield. Engage our ascent. Reaching Mercury is one of space exploration's greatest challenges because the sun's gravity pulls so powerfully. Watch the flight paths. Spacecraft must swing past Earth and Venus several times to slow down enough to reach Mercury. Let's honor a true pioneer. In 1974, NASA's Mariner 10 gave humanity its very first close-up views of Mercury.
Now welcome the Messenger mission. Entering orbit in 2011, it mapped the planet and confirmed ancient water ice.
Track our newest explorer. The BepiColombo mission carries advanced European and Japanese instruments to reveal Mercury's remaining mysteries. Watch BepiColombo at work. Its twin spacecraft are mapping Mercury's magnetic field, rocky surface, and enormous iron core with remarkable precision. Take one last look across the horizon. Human curiosity and determination continue to carry us into the solar system's most extreme frontiers.
What an unforgettable journey. From frozen polar ice to a giant iron core, Mercury is full of extraordinary surprises.
Thank you for traveling with me. It has been my honor to guide you safely across the incredible world of Mercury. Full thrusters engage. Mercury disappears behind us as we race toward our next epic Faxon Tour adventure. Until next time, explorers.